Hello, everybody. I'm here with Ifabiodun, who is an Egungun priest. So, Ifabiodun, can you tell us about Egungun?
Yeah, my name is Ojefomola Ifabiodun Ojefomola. Egungun is one of the Orishas that support with the ancestors, that support with the Ori. And Egungun is the Orishas that we make an offering to by making an omi to our great grandfather and great grandmothers that went past. So we did give an omi and giving an offering to them. And Egungun is one of the Orishas that supports the ancestors and support your feelings and support your way to be successful in life. In one of the music and the voice of Egungun that says, bó bá wù mí máa pé eégún méje eégún onígun ni táwọn ta lómi mọ tápàlẹ pé eégún onídánì ti bàbá mi eléhùn níjọjẹ fún mọlọmọ eléégún sàmbétọ lóní tí kò ògo alákàntàn lówó lẹwà aréwé yọ ọmọ làbàkẹ o eégún láyẹ ewu ṣébó náà ní ti táwọn dé eégún apidán ní ti bàbá mi eléhùn níjọjẹ fún mọlọmọ eléégún kíkú mọ pọ ọmọ ọjẹ o. Ọmọ ọ̀jẹ̀ karùn-ún sọ ọmọ ọ̀jẹ̀ o ọmọ ọ̀jẹ̀ àríbá ti ṣe o ọmọ ọ̀jẹ̀ akọ́lémọ́lé o ọmọ ọ̀jẹ̀ o àṣẹ o.
Àṣẹ. And so, can you tell us in short story, what did that just mean?
That's the voice and the way we do praise Egungun by reciting the each Egungun. Because we have three types of Egungun. We have Egun Eleru, we have Egun Alagbo, we have Egun Apidan. Egun Apidan is the one that do perform magic. That one is my father's masquerade. Egun Apidan is baba mi. Ile oni joje fomola mi legun. It's the Egungun that do perform magic. They perform that turn up, that somersault. That's what we call Egun Apidan. And then we have the Egun Alagbo. Is the one that walk with the woman. Like they work with the woman that has a pregnant, they do give an offering to that Egungun to make them deliver successful. And Egun Eleru is the Egungun that we will receive from our fathers, that he has a lot of load, he has a lot of FES. So that's what we call Egun Eleru. And then the music and the voice that I recite before already is how we call Egungun. If we want to make an offering, if we want to make an omi, if we want to call Egungun before we go into the Ibale, before we enter the temple of Egungun, we usually recite this fast before we go in.
Well, thank you very much. One last question. How long have you been a Egungun priest?
That's a nice question. I really love the question. I've been into these Orishas since when I was young. Because I achieved this and I received this from my fathers, because that's what they practice also. So we have it in my family, we have it in my ile. So since from there I was grew up and I was brought up with Egungun and the other Orishas also.
So where did Ifa money come from?
That one is just normally with the friends, like sometimes chill together, we went out together. They do call me Ifa money. My name is Ojefomola Ifabiodun Ojefomola Egun Oba.
That's Shay. Well, let me just say this. I've always had fun with Ifa money.
My sister, happy festival.
Yes.
Long life.
Thank you.
More money.
Thank you.
More peace.
Thank
more
you.
joy. I pray for success in your life. Your festival that you do for your Orishas today, and they will keep supporting you in all things. And one of the verse of Ifa that says, Itaruku lawo taruku, Itaruku lawo taruku, Itaruku tatanta, Adifafugba, Igbansawo odi Oyo, Lori Saremo Foba, Isegbarula, Igbarukan, Baba Waye ni Anigba. By the grace of Ifa, all things you lay your hands to will be successful. Your money will come in, all your blessings will locate you by the grace of the ancestors. To ni to oluwo tùfẹ́ ẹni tójú gbọ̀nà àṣẹ alẹ́ àṣẹ àárọ̀ adé afárúgbó ìjọ tí ń lọ jà ojú bùrù mẹ́kùn kò tà kò rà ó káwọ́ àṣẹ lọ́mú gírígírí wọn lárúgbó olóṣó olóhùn olóṣó wọn lárúgbó làjẹ olóhùn olàjẹ wọn ní gbogbo tó ṣe wọn ṣe máa ń ṣe ó lè mọ̀ pé òun àwo lóṣó òun àwo lọ́rọ̀ òun àwo làṣẹ so shall it be àṣẹ.
Thank you.
Yeah.